Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start new chapter in English language, chapter 13, adverbs. So let's start to read. So use suitable words from the box to complete the sentences. So the first one is the children played merely. The soldiers fought bravely. The old person walked slowly. I always keep my atlas nearby. The painter drew skillfully. The student will speak in the assembly tomorrow. So, students, think about what the words you have used tell us. Merely tells us how the children played. Tomorrow tells us when the students will speak. And nearby tells us where the atlas is kept. So, students, all of these words tell us something more about the verbs in the sentences. So, words that tell us more about the verbs are known as adverbs. Okay, so adverbs basically contains how, when, where, how for the quality of action, then for time of place, and where place of action. So those adverbs are the words, those tells us about action of verbs. Okay. Okay, now the next page. Many adverbs end in ly. So look at some more examples of adverbs and what they tell us more about the verbs. Like she ran quickly to the post office. He waited patiently for his return. Now the adverbs here tell us how the actions are performed. So I went to the circus yesterday. She is having her dinner now. And also the adverbs here tells us when the actions are performed. So like Rahman is hiding there behind the tree. I searched everywhere from my mug. So the adverbs here tells us where the action are performed. Okay. Now let's do the exercise. Underline the adverbs in the sentence. Then write in the blanks whether these adverbs tell us how, when, and or where. So my old horse jogged slowly. How? My brother can cook well. How? A bird is sitting outside. Where? To catch the bus, you have to leave now. When? The children were sitting nearby. Where? All the answers were marked correctly. How? We were living in Dubai then. When? Now the next page. He asked me to speak clearly. How? I saw Sally today. When? I searched for her everywhere. Where? Go somewhere warm for your vacation. Where? Later Rama ate some porridge. When? So, exercise B. Complete the sentences with suitable adverbs from the brackets. Raima plays the flute beautifully. Asif is writing downstairs. He walked away from with his puppy. The newspaper boy arrived late. Now, Tapan reads and writes well. I have my art classes tomorrow. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the box. I arrived a little later than usual. I like to eat Chinese food sometimes. Okay. Dash, I met him by chance. So, yesterday, they knocked at the door loudly. Kay worked on her project carefully. She kept the key safely. The baby eagerly grabbed the biscuits. So, students, Next exercise, replace the adverbs in colors so that this passage from Hedi makes sense. Now, sweetly dash Peter leaped to his feet. So, we replace sweetly with quickly. Quickly Peter leaped to his feet and ran fast. After the goats, Hetty followed him as fast as he could. Peter dashed to the side where the rocks fell loudly to the great tape below and where any goat might fall if it went too far off. He had caught sight of one going near and he arrived just in time, for the animal had already sprung to the edge foolishly. Okay, now learning with Ladybird. Some words give more information about when things happen, like always, often, sometimes, never. So, do every day, do, don't do. So let's start to read. We use always for things we do every day. I always clean my teeth every breakfast. We often use for things we do a lot but not every day. Like we often forgets his coat. Now we use sometimes for things we don't do a lot. Like we sometimes meet that in this cafe. We use never for things we do not or don't do. So I never eat eggs. So student, we put always, often, sometimes or never before the verbs. Now the next page, adverbs means frequency. So write always, often, sometime or never. Okay. So Sam sometimes play football. Plays is the verb. Like next, he often plays tennis. Again, plays is the verb. Next, he dash cooks dinner. He never cooks the dinner. He dash eats breakfast. He always eats the breakfast. Now write the sentence with the adverb of frequency. Petty gets angry. In never. So Petty never gets angry. So verb is gets. Next, Lucy sings songs with often. So Lucy often sings song and the verb is sings. Next, I take sugar in my office. So I sometimes takes sugar in my office and verb is take. Next, mum plays football with me. So mum always plays football with me and the verb is plays. Now the next page, learning with Ladybird. So we use comparatives to say how things are different. For most short words add er then. The mouse is smaller than the horse. For words that end with e add r then. The oranges are nicer than the bananas. For words that end with vowel plus consonants, double the last letter and add er then. So the horse is bigger than the dog. For long words, add more or less before and then after. So being happy is more important than having money. Now, having money is less more important than being happy. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U and consonants are all the other words. Now, the next page, comparatives, adjectives and adverbs. So write the comparatives: small, smaller, hot, hotter, new, newer, newer, frightening, more frightening, safe, safer, smart, smarter. Now, write sentences to compare A and B. So, first one is beautiful. B is more beautiful than A. Similarly, for strong, A is more stronger than B. Sweet, B is sweeter than A. Quick, B is quicker than A. Fat, E is fatter than B. Okay students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.